Houseboat in Mandurah. We're on the Chloe today.
You shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say.
Here we are heading over the Mandurah Bridge.
You take your aim far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
I got high hopes for tonight. I think tonight is the night that we're gonna eat some crabs. Too little. Put it back. Simon,
What?
look what I caught. Fresh.
Ghost town, haunted love. Raise your voice. Sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
We're heading home after an eventful couple of days on the Murray River in South Mandurah. Conditions are looking good for the drive home. To the back of the boat quickly and have a look.
I'm trying to catch a fish.
Any joy? Got the rod out. So here we are on the back of the boat. We've got the crab nets hanging up there, and we've got Marcella. She is fishing.